cleaning and caring for your windshield repair equipment. There's a lot of content online for repair in the US and very little in Canada specifically. This product here, called Methyl Hydrate, is the equivalent of denatured alcohol you've heard about in the US. So in the US it's called denatured alcohol. In Canada it's called Methyl Hydrate. It's available in any paint department in Canada. This is the best way to keep your tools in good shape and clear of any cured or dried repair resin. The Methyl Hydrate will just strip and clean any cured resin off of any surface, including your injector pin and injector barrel. This is the cleaning canister that you would put your methyl hydrate in to soak your injector pin and injector barrel to keep the bridge assembly working optimally.